Alright, we're now on part 6 of chapter 6. So, we made it to part 6, which is awesome. So now we're going to bring in discounts. Now, QuickBooks really does have 3 kinds of discounts that they will use. One is known as a sales discount, which is basically when we give a customer a discount for early payment. This is an item that we actually learned in 2301 of our sales discounts. Again, this is just getting where we can get people to pay a little bit earlier than the original due date. So we offer them a slight discount. Okay. We have merchandise discount, which is a discount inventory sells items purchased for resale. And this discount is categorized as a cost of goods sold account because, again, we use the discount results in decreasing the amount you pay for the goods. So again, basically something that we're going to get to later on. And then we have purchase discounts. And these are discounts for early payment of purchases made to run the business. So we have a sales discount and purchase discount. Basically work the same, just depends if it's the buyer or the seller. So we're going to add some new sales terms. So when giving a sales discount to a customer, the transaction terms could indicate that a discount is available if paid early. Currently, we don't have any of these discount terms in our test drive, so we need to create one. So, in order to create a new sales, let's click the gear, and we're going to go to all list. Take it on these nice little lists, and we're going to go to terms. Okay. And we're going to go to new. And we're going to have 2%, 10, net 30. So what does this mean? So this little new item, 2%, 10, net 30, is basically telling us that the customer will have 10 days. That's what the 10 represent. This whole number before the net. If they pay us between in 10 days, they get a 2% discount on basically their purchase from us. If they don't do this, it's usually due within 30 days. So we need to let it know what's going on. So it will be due within 10 days, but we'll have to put the discount in a little bit later. This is an item that has been removed. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and save. We'll go back to discounts in just a sec. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and actually change one of our people. And this is going to be Travis Waldon. And we're going to find his invoice. So customers. And let's go search for Travis. There he is. Click on him. And we're going to go to payment and billing. So edit. There's payment and billing. Terms. So now 2%, 10, net 30. Okay. Alright, so now his terms have been updated. Yay! Updated terms. So, now we're going to record the sales discount. It's like, what? Yeah, we're going to record it and we're going to add it to his invoice 1032. So let's go ahead and click on that 1032 invoice. It looks like we have an error going on. So hopefully it'll save. If not, we're just going to show you how it's going. Alright. So with this, since it's a 2% at 30, we're going to click on the discount percent right here. And we're going to put in 2. Okay, all whole numbers are automatically entered as percentages in the calculations. We just put them as whole numbers. Okay, so this is going to tell us that right now he's going to have a discount of $7.68 after sales tax has been calculated. Okay, now if the discount is supposed to be calculated before sales tax, all we have to do is click the arrow. Notice that it switches. Okay. Notice how it actually changes the total too, because it's a different amount that's being taxable. Okay. If it's before sales tax, it lowers the actual principal amount that gets taxed. So it saves them about $1 or a little bit less. Okay, we need to make sure we do have that corrected depending on how we're going to give them the discount. And usually that is a company policy. But I would basically keep it like this unless it's actually been told to you to change it. Now again, there was a change since the book was published that does not have the applied discount paid early. We have to know that. Okay? So we actually have to know that discount is going to be applied. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Yeah. So it won't let me save it without the customer, and due to the error that sometimes test drives have, where it won't let me actually pop in the name, that's fine because this is all we wanted to show you was the discount. Okay. On this one. So we're going to have to show the receive payment. Okay, so actually fix the error so we can do the last part, which of course is receive. So it's saved. Now it's time to receive payment. Easiest thing that we get to do is click receive payment. And boom, we already have the total right there. Now, we're going to actually put this out 10 days ahead. So we're going to actually say he paid on the 11th, since I'm doing this on April 1st. So, April 11th, 2021. There we go. He paid within 10 days. So he does earn the discount. Now remember, if he paid after the 10 days, so whatever date that we create the invoice, after 10 days, or basically create the due date. Actually, that should be 03/13/2021 since it's showing on the 3rd. Anyway, so if you paid out 10 days from the invoice date, right there, then there will be no discount involved, and we just simply remove the discount. Basically all that we're going to end up doing. But since he paid good, we're going to go ahead and show. So save and close. Exit. And then it's going to tell us that it has been paid. So he's received the money plus the discount, and we're good to go. That's really all that's going to happen. Always remember to deposit into undeposited funds. So always undeposited funds when we have those. Okay, so that concludes this little part right here. Again, recap, because I think it's good to recap. We went over discounts, created a new sales term, found out that there was a change, and no more applied discount if paid early. That is gone. We have recorded the sales discount. Make sure to do it before sales tax. And then we receive the payment. Okay, so that concludes this part. So what is our preview for the next part of Chapter 6? Looks like we're going to record an Nsf check. Oh, that's going to be fun. Okay, so I'll see you for the next part where we record that Nsf check. Looks like that's all we're doing in that drill. Nice.